Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying backups and locking the device to avoid overwrites. First, open Settings and confirm Messages in iCloud is on and note the last backup date. This matters because only backups made before deletion can restore messages. Next, enable airplane mode and keep the phone charged to prevent syncing. If you used a Mac, locate the Finder or iTunes backup. If iCloud, make sure you're logged to the correct Apple ID. Once done, proceed to restore or use extraction tools. Now you decide between full restore and targeted extraction. If your needed backup is in iCloud, you must erase the iPhone and pick restore from iCloud backup. This replaces current data, so make sure you backed up anything new. For local backups, connect to Finder or iTunes and choose the appropriate backup to restore. The process reinstates messages as of that backup. Alternatively, use a reputable extraction tool to scan backups or the device directly. This avoids erasing, but requires careful selection and permission to access your files. Finish by checking messages and searching names or keywords. You should see recovered threads dated up to the backup point. If items are missing, double-check that you use the correct backup date, and then run an extractor on the backup file rather than the device. Sometimes data is present but not merged. If restores fail, update iOS and retry, swap cables or ports, and make one more backup before contacting Apple support or a trusted data recovery service. One tip: avoid writing new data to the device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.